we're flying high. Touch the future, reach the sky. Dream it, build it, don't delay. Your tomorrow starts today.
Attitude by rising, strong and free. This is where you're meant to be. Invest, grow, take the lead. Turn your vision into reality. Luxury living, safety strong. A place where you truly belong. From business deals to golden dreams, nothing here is what it seems. It's more.
Tax-free life, opportunities wide. Global leaders side by side. From every nation, hand in hand. Building the future of this land.
Author BLG Janaka. Think Decision Lab Organization. In collaboration with Janaka Management Consulting. JMC.
Feel the power, feel the flame. Every journey starts with aim. No limits here, just open doors. Step inside, there's so much more. To buy rise and we're flying high. Touch the future, reach the sky. Dream it, build it, don't delay. Your tomorrow starts today.
Attitude by rising, strong and free. This is where you're meant to be. Invest, go take the lead. Turn your vision into reality.
Don't let your mind get stuck.
Let it grow, let it rise.
In Dubai, the future is now.
Dubai rising, hear the call. This is your time, give it your all. From the ground up, build your dream. Nothing's impossible, draw the team.
Dubai rising, bold and bright, turning visions into light. Now's the moment, make your move. This is the life you choose.
Dubai.
Author BLG Janaka. Think Decision Lab Organization. In collaboration with Janaka Management Consulting. JMC.